Now, students, continuing on here. So we've got our room in. And so I'm going to do a few things here. First of all, I want to check the vertical position of this sink here. So I'm going up to my sections and I'm going to draw a section through here. Double click on the solid piece here. And you can see, yeah, it's grand. It's in position there. Okay, and there's, you can see there's the position of my window as well, sitting up. Okay, that's grand. Right, so what do I want to do? I want to create a room in here now. So again, we're over to architecture, into room, and we'll use the room tag here, escape. Click once, click twice, and we'll call this WC shower. Okay, now that's that one done there. Right, now, Tom mentioned about dimensions, so let's stick in some dimensions here as we go along. So we're in the Annotate tab, and we use the Align Dimensions, and we want to go to wall faces here. Okay, so we're going to go from here to this opening. Remember we talked about who's first there. So in this case, block layer is going to be there first. So we want to make sure that we've got enough information now for him to be able to do his work. If he gets the opes right and all the openings in the correct spot, then everything else more or less, if you like, follows on from that. Okay, we'll do a couple of interior dimensions, and Tom was saying that, look, so I'm going to use my tab. That's the one with the arrow going this way and the arrow going that way, tab key. And tab allows us to move the location of where we're going to select. We're selecting the block work there. And again, we'll use the tab key here to the block work, tab key to the block work. That gives us 100 mil block work, and then the tab key once more to the block work there. Okay, 75. We position that one there, and then we want to know where to put the door in. So again, we're going to go tab, select to the block work here. Okay, which is that one. To the block work there, which is that one. And tab here to that one there. Now, that's roughly the dimensions on that side. We better put some on the outside here as well. Okay, and that one is there. Now, we've got our dimensions in. We've got our shower in place. Now, we talked about putting in notes, okay, construction notes. So we're going to use multi-category tags, and they are in Annotate multi-category tag. And this is the one we want to use. We've got a choice of a few different ones here, but we're going to use the construction description type mark. That's what we're going to use here. And I want to put in a free end in there. I will put a leader in for the moment. And the tags are horizontal. So if I tag that wall, you can see that I've got a question mark. So that's what a tag is. A tag goes into the Revit database and it extracts out the information that we're looking for. So the information is not there at the moment. So where do we put the information in? So let's pick the wall and go into the edit type properties of the wall. Bring up this dialog box here. And so this is the description label, and this is what the tag has gone in to find out. So if I put in here, so this is a 300 millimeter brick finish wall. Okay, now you can go elaborate on the description. We can put in the insulation and the finish and everything else like that. Once you understand the principle of what this is, then it follows on from that. As your knowledge of construction develops, not just in the BIM class, but in studio and your building technology lectures, you'll know what the specification of the wall actually is, and that's what you'll write in there in this case. Now, I'm just going to go OK. for here, and you can see that the note has popped up there. There's a second thing that we can do here, because remember, this multi-category tag looks for the concrete description. It also looks for the type mark as well. So I'm going to go back into the type properties. And here's the type mark down here. So we're going to call this WT wall type underscore 01. And hit apply. Okay. And the two notes have been reported up here. I sometimes like to have a little arrow on this. I think that kind of helps. And I will just straighten that out like so. There's my note. So wherever that wall occurs now, I can apply, because the information, you only have to put it in once. And wherever that occurs now, I can apply that multi-category tag like so. See it? Or over here. And so on like that. Now that applies to every element here. I'll do the garage door for instance. I'll do apply type. And here's the description. So it is a selected timber up and over. Okay. And it'll be in the type mark. No, it won't be 251. I don't want that. I want DT underscore 01, door type underscore 1. Apply and OK. So the information is there. All I need now to do is go into multi-category tag, select the door, and position the note. All right. So you can populate your building model now with lots of different notes.